Hey, in this video, I would like to show you how to get up and running in SaaSykit in less than 5 minutes. So let's go for that. Basically, on the left-hand side, we have the documentation of SaaSykit. We have a few commands that we have to run before we see our project up and running. Before you go through these commands, please make sure that you installed Docker because we need that as we will be using Laravel Sail, which uses Docker in order to boot our application. This is one way to do it. Of course, you can also use Laravel Herd or just install the system on, if you have like PHP and MySQL or the database of your choice installed like on top of your system right away. You don't need that, but for the sake of simplicity, we will use Laravel Sail. All right, so the first thing that we would like to do now is just to clone our repository. So let's do that. Git clone SaaSykit, and then let's just jump into SaaSykit directory. Afterwards, we will need to install our composer dependencies. So let's do that. Let's copy the example environment file into the .env file. We might also want to edit that if we want, so we can just go for it and change some values here, but for the sake of this demo, we will not do that. Next step is to get our application up and running by doing sail up. This basically boots the Docker containers. Now that is up, we can generate a key for our application. Then we need to run migrations to add the tables in the database. Then seed our database with some default values needed. Once that is done, let's run npm install. This will install the npm dependencies that we have in our application. This might take a few minutes, so I will skip the video after it's executed. All right, now our dependencies are there. Let's go for the next command, which is linking the storage. Then let's install or build actually the npm dependencies. Once that is done, let's run npm dev to start the asset compilation in dev mode. But before we open our application, I would like to install the demo data that come with SaaSykit. Basically, SaaSykit comes with this demo data seeder, that you can use to load some products, some subscriptions, users, so that basically we can see some action in the website and to be able to see something actually. So let's do that in a new tab. This will also take a few minutes to install, so I will skip the video to the point after that is executed. Now that this is done, let's have a look at our application. Let's click on this link, maximize this one, and here we go. This is basically the landing page of SaaSykit itself that comes already in the project as a starting point for yourself to take inspiration from and just maybe use some components in here to build your own landing page. Down there we have also our some demo products there. If we click on one of them, we will go through the checkout process. Let's add some dummy user, register. Now we are registered, we are on the checkout page, and then we can choose our payment provider and go with the checkout. We cannot do that now because we have to configure the payment providers first. That we will do in another video, not now, but basically this is the idea. Now let's have a look at the code. a little bit. So this is basically the code, the structure. SaaSykit is a typical Laravel application, so it follows the Laravel best practices and the application structure. As for the homepage that we just saw, let's go in the resources, views, and then we have home.blade. This is the code for the homepage that you just saw. Lots of components that are being used here. Application hero, headings, and so on. I will be diving deeper into these components in another video, but this is just the gist of this landing page. You can use it as an inspiration. As I said, that's pretty much it for this video. So thanks for watching and see you in another video. Have fun. Bye.